Hello students, hope all of you are doing well. Now today we are going to make the second part of the video of chapter solid, liquid and gases. That is chapter 8. Now in the previous video we have covered the topic that is what is matter and states of matter. Now in this part of video we will cover the chapter topics like changing states of matter, solution, solvent and solute, and also we will see the solution, that is subjective type of question and answers later on. So changing states of matter. What is changing states of matter? First we will do a small activity. Remove a few ice cubes from the refrigerator. Leave them out for some time. What happens? What is seen? The ice melts and turns into water. Now, if you will ask your mother to boil this water, after some times you will see vapors coming out. And if we are leaving the water boiling for some times, then water will evaporate and escape into the air as steam, and afterward no water can be seen. So what will happen? A matter can change from one state to another on heating and cooling. First we will see what will happen when we are heating. When we are heating, the ice is a solid state of matter. When an ice cube is kept out of freezer, it gets heated up and changes into water, that is liquid, and this is known as melting of ice. Now when water is heated up, it changes into vapor, that is gas, and this phenomena is called evaporation. So we can say that ice melts into water and then it evaporates in vapor. Now cooling. In cooling, the opposite things happens. When water vapor is cooled, it changes into water. When water is cooled further, it changes into ice. Thus matter can change from one state to another on cooling. So when water vapor is cooled, it changes into water, that is liquid, and this phenomena or this process is known as condensation. And when water is kept in freezer, it changes into ice, that is solid. This phenomena or process is known as freezing. So here what is happening in cooling? When water vapor, that is gas, cools down, it changes into water and the process is known as condensation. And when water is kept in the fridge, it is freezing and changes into solid, that is ice. So you can see here changes of state. Ice, that is solid, when heated it melts into water, and when it is heated more further, it evaporates into steam or gas. And just opposite, in cooling, what happens? Steam changes into liquid by the help of the process known as condensation, and when this liquid water is kept in the freezer, it changes into solid, that is ice. So here melting, evaporation, condensation, freezing, these four processes are important and you have to write down in your notebook. Now solution, solvent and solute. Now what is solution? Every day you are making some lemon water or sweet water by taking a water in a glass and add a teaspoon of sugar in it. When you will stir the water, you will notice that the sugar slowly disappears. We say that the sugar has dissolved in water. The water with the dissolved sugar tastes sweet. This sweet water is called a solution of sugar in water. Okay, the solution, what is solution then? Solution is a mixture where one substance is dissolved into another. Here what is the substance? Dissolving in what? Here sugar is the substance which is dissolving in another substance, that is water. So example, all of you are making sharbat in the summer season. What is sharbat? A sweet solution. It is a mixture of sugar and water. Here sugar dissolves in water, so we can say sharbat is a solution. Now solution has two parts, that is solute and solvent. Solute is solid substance which is dissolved in another substance, that is liquid. Example, salt and sugar, or many crystal like objects are there, things are there which is dissolved in water. So these are known as solute. Salt, sugar is the solid part which is dissolving in water, that is in water and giving us the sweet syrup solution. So solute is known as salt and sugar. Now second is solvent. What is solvent? Solvent is liquid substance that dissolves the other substance. Like other substance, what is here? Like sugar, it is dissolving sugar and salt in it. So solvent is water. Example, water and milk are the solvent which is dissolving solute in it. So solid part is known as solute and the liquid part is known as solvent. And when solute and solvent is dissolved, mixed together nicely, solution, we are getting a solution. Now miscible and immiscible solution. Now this is a new word for you all. What is miscible? When two liquids can be mixed with each other to form a solution, it is called miscible solution. Like water and rose syrup. When two liquid, here water is also liquid and rose syrup is also liquid. So when two liquids are dissolved nicely with each other, it is known as miscible solution. But when two liquid does not form a solution, is not mixed properly, then it is known as immiscible solution. Example, water and oil. If you take a glass of water and put some oil in it, the oil will not dissolve in water. Though both are liquid, water is also liquid and oil is also liquid, but both are not mixed together to give a solution. So oil and water are immiscible solution. It is not mixing properly. So miscible and immiscible solution, you have to just copy down it in your notebook. Now next is gases as solute. Now some gases are also dissolved in water. Do you know? Gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide are dissolved in water. That is why aquatic animals and plants. What is aquatic animals? The animals and plants which are grown in water, which lives in water to survive. So they are known as aquatic animals. So how they live in water? How do they breathe? So they are taking oxygen and carbon dioxide with the which is dissolved in water. So gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide are dissolved in water so that the plants and animals can survive in water. Also we are drinking aerated drinks, so in that also carbon dioxide is dissolved. Now explaining part of the chapter is over. Now subjective type of question answer will be done in next part of the video, so stay tuned by then.